Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, we will be discussing about summits, and these summits will help for all competitive examinations. I request you guys to check in the playlist. I have uploaded near about 1600 plus videos for all competitive examinations. Let us start with the what exactly it has been given in our slides. Initially, this is one festival, Bharat Parv. It's a 5-day festival which is celebrated in the heart of the India, that is New Delhi. As you can see here, the Bharat Parv festival, it's a epic and it's a small symbol of Red Fort from 26th through 31st of January 2021. It has been held virtually. It means through video and that Parv was held in New Delhi. And next we have the Quad. That is one thing you have to remember. Quad stands for. So here US, Japan, India and Australia. These are the 4 nations. Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. What exactly the dialogue is? Dialogue is it's a conversation between the nations. So here the dialogue is between India, Australia, America and Japan. So these are the 4 nations of this Quadrilateral Security Dialogue Summit. It was held among those 4 nations. But who organized this? America, it has organized this dialogue. So you can see Indian flag followed by the clockwise, that is USA flag, and Japan and then Australia. So here organized by whom? That is America. Next we have 4th World Sustainable Development Summit. This 4th World Sustainable Development Summit was hosted by India. As you can see here, Narendra Modi, who is the Prime Minister of India, he had organized this. Next we have 19th SAARC Summit of 2020. It was held in the Pakistan and it has formed in the 1985. As you can see, the 8 members and the headquarters of SAARC is located at Kathmandu. So here we should remember that Nepal's capital is Kathmandu. Here whatever this nations we have, you can directly go through the clockwise direction. Here India, and we have Sri Lanka, Bangladesh we have, and followed by this Nepal. There are various nations, near about total 8 members are there in the SAARC. Here the headquarters is located at Kathmandu, which is the capital of Nepal. Next we have 18th World Sanskrit Summit of 2021, WSC, that is World Sanskrit Summit. So this is hosted by the Canberra, that is Australia. So you can see how exactly 17th Sanskrit Conference, that is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So this is the one of the tagline for this. So this Sanskrit Summit 2021 was hosted by Canberra, that is Australia's capital. Next we have the Raisina Dialogue. This is one thing you have to remember. Raisina Dialogue, normally every year it is organized multilateral conference. It is a conference held. This dialogue will be held every year in New Delhi. So here you can see how exactly the Raisina Dialogue is. It's a multilateral conference. Next we have 108th Indian Science Congress Summit. Normally this Science Congress Summit, this will be held in Pune every year. So this is one thing you have to remember. These type of summits are held every year in India. Next we have International Yoga Festival. Normally 21st June, the International Yoga Day is celebrated. So this festival from 7th to 13th March 2021 was held. So this International Yoga Festival, it was held between 7th and 13th of March. So remember one thing, whenever you use from, that has to be followed by to. If I say between 7th and 13th March, that is a way of using English grammar. So International Yoga Festival that started from 7th to 13th of March 2021 in the Rishikesh. This Rishikesh is located in which place? It is located in Uttarakhand. So these are the few festivals and few summits you have to remember. So Aero India show, this event normally every year it will be organized prior to the, we knew that Air Force Day. Because of this, there is an Air Force Elanka in Bengaluru. They every year they host Aero India, that was held in Bengaluru. 13th. This time it was 13th. World Economic Forum annual meeting 2021 will be held in Singapore. So this Economic Forum, this meeting 2021, that will be inaugurated at Singapore. Next, we should remember that what exactly the BRICS stands: Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. So the headquarters of BRICS is located at Shanghai, that is in China, and that will be hosted 13th one, that will be hosted by the India. And please remember that we have BIMSTEC also. The headquarters of BIMSTEC is located at Bangladesh. And the SAARC, you know, already discussed. Comment me in the comment section. Next we have 47th summit of G7, that will be hosted by the United Kingdom. This G7 summit, as you can see, in June 2021 it will be held, that will be hosted by the England. Next we have G20 summit of 2021. So this time it will be 16th of G20 summit. This will be held in Italy. So please check what exactly G20 Italia. So whenever you get that, you have to clash this picture, G20 Italia, and here what exactly had been discussed: 47th summit of G7. G7 here, United Kingdom. Next we have 4th Planet Summit of 2020. This was hosted by France. So this Planet Summit will be, that was hosted by this France, and the aim is to protect the world's biodiversity, the main intention of this. So next we have 38th and 39th Asian Summit. As you can see, Asian stands Association of Southeast Asian Nations. The headquarters is located at Jakarta, that is Indonesia's capital. Here this 2021 summit, that will be hosted by the Brunei nation. So total how many members are there? Total 10 members are there in this. Next we have UN COP. It means COP stands United Nations Conference of Party. This UN COP 26 2021 for the climate change is scheduled to be in which place? That is in Glasgow. Glasgow is located in which place? That is in United Kingdom, that is England. It's a part of England. So this UN COP conference of 2021 will be in the Glasgow. So please remember, it is related to Earth. I had already discussed, guys, regarding trophies and winners. You can have a look of this in my playlist. Go and have a look in playlist in the current affairs, and there are many more appointments and person also. Have a look. Thank you, guys. I hope this videos will help you a lot. If you have any queries, you can call me on 7666 730 252. Have a good day, have a great life, and share it to your friends also. Like it.